Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter, that is the light. In previous video already you have learned the different phenomena of light, that is different objects, how that light is transforming and how that light is passing. So according to that, that there are three types of objects we have studied, which the light is making that what transforming or light is passing. So there one is transparent, one is translucent, another one is opaque, which the object through which the light completely fully passing, that is called as transparent, and a partially passing is called as a translucent, and a totally obstructed, that means blocking totally, that light cannot pass through that objects, that is called as opaque. Okay, so these are the, in the last day we have studied that. Last video you have learned about this. But friends, today we are going to discuss about that shadow. Do you have idea about the shadow? Yes, you have more, you have played also, and you have you will get that more interest and more interactive with that. Whenever you stand in front of the light or in the sunlight, then you can find out your shadow, it is falling on that surface. Yes, okay. So how it is forming, how the shadow will form, so we are going to discuss in this video. So shadow means what is that? It is falling on the screen or on the surface. By that, whenever one light will fall on that on opaque object. Okay, if the light will fall on a opaque object, then that shadow will form, because the light cannot transfer or cannot pass through that object. That means that light are blocked by that opaque object. So whenever the light's rays are blocked by that opaque object, then by that opaque object, that one shadow will form or darkness will come, that is called as a shadow. So let us discuss about that, what is that shadow, and there are generally what are the main components or main things it is responsible for the making the shadow. Therefore it is needed the three things. One is source of light, where that light we are getting, that is very important, and second thing is one opaque object and a screen. The three things if you will get available, then that shadow we can make, or shadow it will be formed. Okay, what are that main three things? One is the source, from where that light is getting, that one source is needed, light source is needed. Second thing is opaque object, where what we are making that by that object we have to make that shadow. And third one, that shadow where it will form, that will be on the screen, that we have to need it. So mainly three things are needed. So one is source of light, second one is opaque object, third one is screen. Okay, याद रखो बेटे. So now we are going to discuss about that thoroughly. By that notes also you should write. See, first shadow. Shadow is a dark shape produced when an opaque object comes between the source of light and the surface. When that light will fall, the light will the shadow is on dark shape. Dark means like where the light cannot fall. The light does not fall on that place. Okay, on the screen there can directly cannot fall on that surface. So when an opaque object comes between source and surface, where that light is falling, suppose now sunlight is directly falling on the surface. If in the middle we are standing, that means we are the middle, that we are the opaque object, we are middle between the source and surface or the screen. That means if you stay, suppose this is now opaque object, now this is light will fall here and the surface is here. So that means surface and the source between, if you stay that one opaque object, then that shadow will form, that is called as a shadow. Did you understand? Okay, that means one opaque object if you placed in between the source and surface or the screen, that means the shadow will form. The formation of a shadow is a natural phenomenon. It is not, nobody is creating. It is one natural phenomenon, natural things. It is now, before it was already there, one object is there, one opaque objects are there. Then if you fall on that light, then automatically that shadows are forming. Okay. The formation of a shadow, we need three things. I already have told you. to make that, if you want, you need that furnace, you make that form that a shadow, then it is need that minimum mainly three things. One is the source. If without light we cannot make the shadow. If there is no opaque object, suppose source is there, screen is there, but if there is no opaque object, then we cannot make or cannot form the shadow. If source is there, opaque object is there, screen not there, but then also we cannot find out that what a shadow. Okay, so mainly to make the shadow, it needs the main three things. One is the source of light, opaque object, and a screen where that shadow will form. So now this is source of light, an opaque object, and a screen. So these are main three things. Whenever that source of light will fall on that opaque object, then it will form the shadow on that screen. Okay? Now students, a very important note I have written here, students. Sometimes you have seen that, students, one small bird, do you know? The bird is flying over the sky or over your head or like that way. You will observe that the shadows are not forming. Did you see? Sometimes you will observe when that one bird is flying on that sky, at that time you will see over your head or over the sky. That time what you will see? You won't, that shadows are not falling. One body is opaque object, but the sunlight is falling on that body, but there is no shadow. Why? What the reason behind it? Whenever one aeroplane is going, at that time the shadows are not forming. But the reason? There is one special reason in there, students. So what is that? Whenever the source is very huge, very big, and that opaque object is very small, then at that time that is shadow, sometimes it won't fall. Okay, shadow won't be formed. So such things or such phenomena or such things are called as generally umbra. Okay, umbra we can say, or very slightly if the shadow will form, that is called as penumbra. Okay, so you will see that there are two things are there, two regions. A big source of light produces two regions. A big source of light produces two regions. One is the darker region, another one is the lighter regions. Okay, when that source of light is falling on that, okay, whenever suppose opaque object we are keeping, then whenever it will fall, then what will happen? It will be form that one dark region like that, it will form. That is called as what? Umbra. It is called as umbra. And the lighter region is called as penumbra. Okay, so when that birds are very small object, very small, whenever that fall, that lights will fall on that, that shadow won't form on the surface. Okay, because of the penumbra. Penumbra, due to that penumbra, what happening? The light is very source. Sun is a very big source, big huge source. That is a larger source. So that from that it is coming. So that's why it won't fall on the shadow. If you will see that suppose a very big light, one street light is there, one mosquito, if you will fly on that shadow, so won't form because of that source. That source is very huge, so that inside it is very small. So whenever the shadow want to come, that is automatically it is disappointing, but it's lightly shadow will form, so it will be vanish. That's why it is this such type of image or that things is called as a penumbra. Okay. Next point, friends, the shadow formed always black in color. You have seen that any color object, opaque object you keep in front of that source of light, then you will find out that only one same color, that is the black color. Okay, dark or a black color shadow will form. Every color form, every red or vivigar color, if you take violet, indigo, green, blue, orange, red, any colors objects, opaque object, if you place on the in front of that source or sunlight or anywhere, then that shadow what will form, that is the same color, that is called a dark color and or black color. Okay, a transparent object does not form a shadow. If suppose if you keep, already I have told, opaque objects only can form the shadow. So transparent, if you keep that one transparent, one glass will keep in front of the sunlight or any light, can it possible make that shadow? No, because that light's ray, the light rays will pass through the or transfer that or passes through that glass. So that's why that shadow never be formed. Okay, yeah, you should remember that, friends. that transparent objects cannot make the what images. Translucent object form a light shadow. Translucent object form a light मतलब light not lightly means हल्का shadow will form, slightly like slight or lightly shadow means हल्का shadow will form. Okay, therefore translucent object if you will place in front of that light, then you will find out that what lightly shadow will form, not dark shadow, like lightly shadow will form. Okay students, so very carefully in this video you have learned that what is the shadow and what are the main three things are a help to that make that shadow. There are special source of light, opaque object and screen. And next very important, already one very important for that higher class or entrance or anything, why that birds are having no shadow while they are flying. Okay, because of the penumbra. That means there are two phenomena are helping or two regions are creating by that one huge or big source of light. Because one is darker source, darker region, another one is light regions, and that darker regions are generally called as umbra, and another one is light regions, which one is there, that is called as penumbra. So if you have a small object, if you place on front of the light, there shadows will form very slightly or light shadow will form. That's why it is called as penumbra. Okay, thank you all friends, have a nice day. You should prepare these notes and write on this. This is for your homework, write in your classwork. Thank you, have a nice day.